The eagle, one of the world's largest raptors, has a 7 to 8 foot wingspan, longer than the tallest of men, but weighs only several pounds. In this video, we will show you how to cook the Majestic Eagle Steak to perfection. Start by getting a large chunk of beef from your favorite fatty cut. Next, start carving the torso from this large beef cut. Resist the temptation of carving the wings too early. Carving the wings early will lead you to making a chicken steak, peacock steak, or worse. When you're ready, start carving the head and wings together in perfect harmony. At this point, your Majestic Eagle is about ready to go into the oven. Roast in the oven until the outside is golden brown. Get your Majestic Eagle roast out of the oven, slice to thick steaks. And there you have it. Serve and enjoy the Majestic Eagle Steak, roasted to perfection. Liked our Majestic Eagle Steak recipe? Have suggestions of your own? Share them in the comments.